Hey guys, I got a house. I got me a 3-bedroom, 2.5 baths. So I want y'all to come on in so y'all can see how it looks, okay? Come on in. Alright, so this is the entrance. Very small entrance, but that's what it needs to do. Think about putting a little stool here or something just right here. But yeah, this is just the entrance, and right here leads to the powder bed bathroom. Very simple pedestal sink and a nice tub and toilet, and just call it a day. Alright, here's the walkway with the closet for your jackets, and this is essentially my kitchen, the heart of the home. I'm so obsessed with this kitchen. This is not granite, but quartz countertop. So I'm in love. It sparkles in the light, so it's just a dream to have, and I love it because in the morning time we get a lot of natural light, and so you can see a lot of sparkling happen, and it's amazing. And it also has stainless steel appliances and a Subway white backsplash tile and gray brownish cabinet. So I'm so excited to just decorate the heck out of this kitchen, but still keeping it very like fresh and clean lines, because my concept is mid-century modern with a splash of boho. So stay tuned for that, okay? So on to this way is the dining room. It's just the right amount of size for me. It's only me and my boyfriend that live here. So right now I'm just gonna get maybe a long wood table, not too long, just a regular size wood table, and kind of have seating around, not too much, just enough. So I love it so much. Oh, let me show you the pantry. So this is the pantry. It's a walk-in pantry, y'all. There's a light switch and everything. I didn't grow up with a walk-in pantry, so this is like, whoa. Even if I buy enough groceries, it's still not enough groceries. And I've only lived here for 2 days now, so that's why you see a little bit of stuff in the house right now. So enough of this, enough of the pantry. Let's go back to the living room and show you outside in the garage, and we go upstairs. All right, and this is my living room. I'm so obsessed with how open concept this whole downstairs area is. And I have my apartment furniture. Everything's gonna eventually change, obviously. I'm just trying to get moved in and get comfortable, and then as I go, I decorate. But I'm so excited. I could put my TV mounted up there eventually. I'm gonna have to buy a bigger TV because I put my original TV up there and it was a joke, okay? So I need a big boy TV. And you already see, I already got comfortable with my plants. My plants are loving all this sunlight. And what's even cool is that I have a fireplace that's electric, and it changes colors, and it makes crackling sounds, and it blows out heat if you want it to. So it's mad cool. I'm gonna put a clip in and show y'all exactly how it sounds and looks like. All right, so we're gonna go outside, so I'm gonna show you the backyard. And here is the backyard. So it's nice and petite just for me and my partner. We just have enough for like 1 or maybe 2 dogs eventually. I have my cute little fire pit set up here. I mean, in terms of the chairs, we're gonna get that together. I just moved in, y'all. Just moved in. But yeah, so I already made some s'mores back here the past 2 nights, so I've been loving it back here. I'm definitely gonna have a grill back here, and just a light show, y'all. I'm so excited to be here. I'm just so excited. But yeah. All right, so now that we're back from outside, I'm gonna show y'all upstairs, so follow me. Not for me to say you love. It's not. All right, so as soon as you get upstairs, this is the office space. So I'm obsessed with this room because it brings in so much light. I have 2 windows, and there's just enough space for my boyfriend to have his side and me to have my side. So I'm gonna have an accent wall and just kind of just do his thing, because I'm gonna use it for my YouTube room, photography room, thrill Lobe room. I mean, all of it. So making my earrings. So yeah. this is the multi-purpose room, and I'm so excited for it. All right, so this is the hallway area. I might put a little bench here just for some upstairs loft vibes, but nothing crazy, just some artwork and call it a day. So I'm gonna show y'all the guest room. So this is the guest room, and it's the same size as the office, it just has one window. So I decided to keep this the guest room since I need more natural light in my office setting. So this is the guest room area. I do have the mattress for this room. It's just in my master bedroom because we sleeping on good mattresses this year, okay? So yeah. All right, so this is the guest bathroom. So this is just a basic shower tub combo, and just a toilet and a sink, and then a linen closet. So this is where I would keep all my towels and stuff in here, and just very basic and straight to the point. So let's go on to the laundry room. So this is just one of those hallway laundry rooms. I haven't bought the machines yet, but I have so many plans for this room. I'm definitely going to change out this to some like wood panels. I mean, y'all will see when the time comes, but this is about to change, and I have to buy machines soon. So anyways, let's go to the master bedroom. This is the master. So it's not glamorous right now. Obviously, I just moved in, so I have my hair mattress and my mattress that came in the mail for the guest room, but it's mine for right now, okay? So it's so nice and big. It has tray ceilings, which has a little character in here, and it's just so wide. And we're getting a king bed, so we're finna be lit in here. I love it so much, and the two windows bringing that nice natural sunlight, especially in the evening time. When the sun starts to set, it's even brighter in here, so I love it. So then here, let's go to our master bath with the two doors. Yes. This is my beautiful master bathroom. So you can say, hey Shariba, this is my friend helping record. So this is a nice big mirror, two double vanity, because we need that to not have any extra arguments with your boyfriend or man. Am I right, y'all? Yep, yeah. And so the same countertops, the same cabinets as the kitchen. So I love that it kind of carried upstairs with some nice gray tile floors. And then just a basic shower door, shower. For us, we don't have a tub, unfortunately, but you know, let's start small and we crawl up. So, but I love it because it's like a little seat in there, so you can sit in there and, you know, if you need to shave your legs or anything, you can sit down and kind of do what you got to do. But I'm definitely going to be revamping this room up, making it my own, so I'm so excited. And then quickly, like right here is my closet, and it's mine. It's not my boyfriend's because I need my own space, and it's really messy actually now that I think about it. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for coming to my semi-empty house tour. I'm so excited to put my final touches on it and moving things around, and stay tuned on this channel because I'm going to be showing y'all my whole home decor series on this channel, from how I decorated to how I bought a house at age 23, y'all. It's crazy, it's surreal to kind of say like, wow, I own a home. So I'm so excited to show y'all the process on how I did that and what you could do to possibly get a home for yourself, you know, at such a young age as well, and building up that credit and everything in between. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let me know down in the comments below, did you just buy a new house, or are you looking to buy a new house in the Atlanta area? What areas are you interested in looking into? Because there's so many choices, especially Metro Atlanta area, and we're booming over here. So stay tuned, y'all, stay tuned. All right, guys, bye. It's not for me to say you